Back to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, hi, I'm Lexi. Thank you for clicking on my video here, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button below and tap that little bell so you get notified for every video I do post. I do a whole bunch of stuff on my channel, a lot of DIYs, wax like reviews. I am an esthetician student in school right now, so I am doing a whole bunch of videos on that. But yeah guys, this video is gonna be a little bit different. I am going to be reviewing this lovely wax kit here I got off Amazon. I'm super excited to try it. I have my friend here actually that is going to go through the fun process of getting her legs waxed. So that's gonna be fun. But I like hard wax because it doesn't adhere to skin. It adheres to hair only, so it shouldn't be like super painful. And I got all of this, you guys. 5 wax bean, like the hard wax beans, for $30. 5 bags plus like the pre and after wax stuff. So I don't know, I just think it's a really good price and I'm super excited to try this. But I do have my waxing pot right here warming up. That's something I had on my own because I do wax already. So if you don't have one, I just suggest to get like a waxing pot, either Amazon, Ulta if it's in like your area. But yeah guys, let's get into this. All right you guys, I'm gonna start unboxing this and to show you what I got in the thing. So the 2 little spray nozzle thingies. And then let me try and find these. They go into these. This is a pre-wax spray, clean and moisture. It's prepare for perfect waxing. And it has a coconut scent. That's gonna be nice. And then this right here is the after wax. Let me see it. After wax spray. It's to moisturize and smooth, and it removes wax residues. I am so excited because like it just seems so simple, because hard wax is only like, it's just so easy to apply compared to like soft wax. Soft wax is like you have to use a strip and all that, which this is just like rip it and it doesn't like hurt as bad as soft wax. So I'm super excited to try this. But and then some popsicle sticks they give you, which is awesome that they give you those. And then they give you smaller ones in case you're doing it like on your lip or your eyebrows. And then here are the kits. I don't know which scent I want to do. What scent you want to do?
I think the lemon we should try.
Lemon or lavender? I think it's going to smell super good.
Yes.
But I am going to smell all these for you because I'm super nosy. We both are on camera once I get her in here. But yeah, this is the tea tree hard wax beans. No strips required, just so you know that. You did it one time. No strips required. This is the peppermint. They're all hard wax. This is the eucalyptus. I got hair hanging from my thingy here. It's okay. And I got lavender. There's a lot.
There is.
Lemon. I want to smell that one really
It
bad.
all looks really good.
Oh wait. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6. I thought it was 5. Yeah, they give you extra. Yeah, on the box it shows 5.
What one of it is extra?
Lavender. Oh, nice. So yeah, you get actually 6 instead of 5 for 30. You can't beat that price. Okay, period. You just can't beat that price. And then 2 lavenders. But yeah, guys, I am going to get my lovely model in here and meet you. I'm going to introduce you. She's my best friend. She's my friend for like 10 years. So she's going to go through the pain of letting me wax her legs. Alright y'all, this is my best friend. We're gonna do her legs. Yeah, I open this, so I'm just gonna add the spray bottle onto it.
What is that?
This is the after wax. This is to get the residue off. If you want to open that one for me. But yeah, you guys, you're gonna be seeing her on my channel a lot more.
Okay.
I like how it's spray.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah guys, so I got those ready to go. We're gonna keep those to the side.
No, we're gonna smell them and see the ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I opened 2 of them. I didn't open lemon yet because I wanted to see my face on camera. The eucalyptus smells really good. It just smells like flowery.
It does smell good.
I only am gonna open one of the lavenders just because I don't want to open both. I like lavender. I feel like once you like melt it, it's gonna be so much stronger.
That does smell really good.
Okay, lemon, y'all.
I feel like this one's gonna be strong and smell really good.
Yes. Let's see.
Lemon's always the stronger.
Oh, I like that. Wait till you like melt it too.
I like that one a lot.
I like the lemon.
Yes.
Lemon.
Oh, I forgot the peppermint's probably gonna smell really
Oh,
good.
yes. Peppermint. I'm gonna smell it all for you guys. I love smelling stuff, so it's like I love candles too. Okay. I smell a hint of it. I just know like once you burn wax, it's so much like
very
stronger.
minty. So like when you burn it, it's gonna be
strong. And tea tree. I love tea tree. I don't know if you gotta like tea tree to like it, but my boyfriend used it in his hair, so tea tree oil.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good. Kind of like a. I can't explain like the smell.
That one's the most strongest one. It's more. I like that one.
It's like a minty, but like lemony. I don't know how to explain it.
They all smell very good, but that one's just a very.
Okay. Real thing. What color are we using? Which one? You pick.
I like the tea trees. Very like.
I like that
one.
We can do.
Should we do lemon or tea tree?
Y'all.
Should we try? Oh, do we have to melt them? So can we not do both, or should we only do one?
Just do one. Let's do one. We can. You can mix them because they're beads, but
yes.
I think the tea tree.
Let's do a tea tree. Yeah.
Let's do a tea tree, guys. I gotta do lemon, but I'm gonna save that. You know. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna do. One pot spray.
I'm nervous and I'm excited, guys. I have not done any wax in a very long time.
If ever, right?
Yeah.
I like warmer.
Yes, you've waxed me a couple times, like my eyebrows, but not my legs. So this is my first time getting my legs waxed.
Yeah. I am gonna pour the whole bag in. Screw it, right? Go big or go home. But yeah, this is my pot.
Do the whole bag?
It's empty. I do have it warmed already, so it can just be fast. So you just put them in there, like so. They're pretty. Let me get some more.
A couple bottle.
Okay.
Do you usually put a whole bag in there when you do it?
You can. It just like, I feel like I'm going to because I'm going to use a lot. I'm doing your legs.
Yes, that's true.
But say you only want to do like an eyebrow. Oh, it's already melting. Some of
I see it on the side.
See, fast. That's one good thing.
Look
They fast.
It's sliding down. It is really fast.
Yeah, you guys, look at it. You see how they're getting like stuck to the side
stuck
already?
to the side, yep.
But you guys, in the meantime, while this is melting over here, I'm going to get her legs ready for waxing. So I'm going to set you up in a different way. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but we're going to do it. I'm going to show you how I put the cleanser or the pre-waxing on, and then how I just get her leg ready. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm going to go in with the pre-wax. Like so. I'm just going to spray it on there in the area that I'm waxing. I'm not going to do her whole leg on camera. Oh, it smells really good, you guys.
Oh, that does smell really good.
So I'm just going to wipe it in there.
I'm a little nervous.
You are? She's got some hairy legs, you guys. I don't have no hair, so I couldn't do it on myself.
I've been letting my hair grow so I can wax them.
Yes.
Because waxing is a lot better
Oh, look
than
at
shaving.
ingrown hair, you guys. That's why I love waxing.
Well, waxing's a lot better than shaving because
Lasts.
it lasts so much longer.
Okay, I just wanted to rub that in there, you guys.
So
you could probably use your hands, but
yeah,
I don't have. I hope this is a good angle for you, but what I am gonna say is, I'm gonna show you how to like pick the wax up. Like I'll show it on the side, or I'll show a video after this of how I pick it up. But I just want to hold this here, and my wax things are pretty much ready to go. And I just wanted another disclaimer. I usually wear gloves, but since she's my friend and I don't have gloves right now, I'm just gonna use my hands. They're clean, they're washed. But yep, I'm just getting my things ready to go. I stirred them, but I will show you a video of them when they're all melted and how I pick up the wax. All right, you guys, it's ready and we are going to apply it. Again, don't mind, I don't have gloves on, but she is my friend and it's just for the video. Usually I would wear gloves with a client, Even if she was my friend, I just do not have gloves right now. My hands are clean. Everything is already ready to go. I turned my wax pack down to medium. I am going to show you the consistency that you want when it is hard wax. But yeah, guys, we're going to apply it. I hope it's a good like angle for you. She's a little bit nervous. I am going to test it on my wrist a little bit so you guys can see it and so I can touch the temperature. It's a little bit warm. So you always want to test the temperature on your wrist. I'm going to put it down to kind of like medium lowish just so we can get that temperature down. All right, you guys, I'm going to put it in the direction of the hair growth.
Now, does this hurt worse doing it the way that the hair goes?
No, it should pull better. All right, you guys, I want you to see this really well. But yes, it does pull the hair very well. I'm going to show you how it goes because I am going in the direction of the hair growth. Her hair grows kind of crazy, so I wasn't sure where to pull it from on this side. But all right, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and pull it back. Look at how much hair. Yep, it pulled it all. Direction of the hair growth.
Oh, yeah, it did. My hairs grow a little weird.
So I'm going to go the way that it's... I'm going to go the opposite direction. And I'm going to hold it here. I'm going to pull it in the opposite way of the hair growth. See, it's already getting hard, so I like this wax. It's not taking really hard to set on her skin. I'm going to have her hold it too one time so you can see like a better angle. But I do like how it really pulls really well. It stings, don't it?
Yeah, it doesn't sting as bad when you're going the direction of the hair growth. But...
So I'm gonna apply it. See how her hair's growing? Let's get this big old area, you guys.
Now, is that like how big of areas you want to do, or do you do bigger, or?
You can do bigger. Soft wax is like for really big areas.
That's what I thought.
But if like, see, like you're sensitive to it, like your first time, I'd recommend doing hard wax. But yeah, you guys, I'm excited for this one. But the one thing I want to say is this wax, like I have barely seen it like break. Like look at none of that broke. That whole strip, and it was pretty thin of a layer. Usually want to do thick layers, but it didn't break on her skin. You know how it usually breaks if it's not like really thick? This wax does not break. Sorry. Like look at the difference of where I waxed.
And where?
So if she flinched, I'm sorry, you guys, because she's holding it and getting waxed. Okay, good. Look at all that hair. Hopefully it focuses. That's a lot. And look at the patch. But alright guys, I'm going to show you how you do the after wax. See how this wax is on there? Let's see if it gets it off. I'll do one area. I'm going to let it sit there for a second. I'm getting my cotton pad. Oh yeah, it comes right off.
I got it right off.
You can see the difference of where I waxed and where I didn't.
Oh yeah, you can.
And it smells so good, you guys. Look at that little patch that I waxed compared to there. And it's not really red. That's what's good about hard wax. All right, y'all, this is the end of this video. I am going to give my like honest feedback on what I think of this. If you are just starting like, or you just want to like wax from home, I definitely recommend it. It's super like, just the cost of it for 6 bags of this, it's going to last you
a long time.
Yeah, probably like a few months, especially like because if you have more sensitive skin, I definitely recommend it. She said it didn't hurt as bad as like soft wax. She's had soft wax done before on her legs. Yes. But she said this feels a lot better than that, and it makes your skin so smooth afterwards, especially with the spray. The after and the before spray, they both smell so good, you guys. Like,
they're coconut.
Like, I just want to spray it right now in the air, to be honest. Like,
it does
y'all,
smell
smells
really
so good.
And the hard wax actually was really good. Like, it was a lot better than the soft wax.
Yeah, and like it dried right away, like super good. So I didn't have to wait like 30 seconds for it to dry. It was just like ready to go.
It dried in like 2-3 seconds.
Yeah, it was fast, and I liked it. I liked the consistency of it. It's not like, I don't know, I like it, you guys. Like, and I've used a lot of different brands, but I want to say one thing. It smells so good when it's burning.
It does.
I don't know what it is. Like, when it's in the bag, it smells good, but like when you're burning it, it's like 10 times stronger, and it smells so good. So like,
yeah,
your house is gonna smell good like wax. It ain't gonna smell like wax. It smells good.
Even when you were putting thin strips too, it wasn't breaking.
It wasn't breaking.
No, it wasn't. It was coming right off.
One thing with hard wax, like, it breaks really easily. Like, once you're pulling, you know, if you're like esthetician or you've done like waxing before, you notice it like breaks like halfway. Yeah. So you have to reheat it or like pull it by your hand. But I really had like no breakage, honestly. Like, had no breakage. But I like it. I'm definitely gonna get more popsicle sticks, and I'm about to go crazy on myself because I don't know, I love waxing. I love the look of it too. Like, you can literally see.
I'm gonna have you wax a lot too.
All of the hairballs on it. But alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video and you want to see more of me or even more of her, definitely more of us, definitely subscribe, and don't forget to check out all of her social media. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. But yeah, guys, at 10K, your girl's gonna be doing a big giveaway. I don't know what it is, but it's gonna be a big giveaway, and y'all, one thing is, go ahead and just like subscribe or follow all my social media as is, so then therefore when I do the giveaway, you're automatically entered, because that's one of the biggest things I'm gonna have you ask. Just follow my Instagram and my TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, at least my Instagram. You know, anyone that likes waxing or any of that type of stuff, tell them to subscribe. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video.